ho, ho. I'll show you some. Up here where this double wide is, follow my finger, and where that building is with the multicolored tan trailer, there used to be another trailer sit there about 30 years ago, and that's where I would go get my tattoos. And yep, hooked up to a car battery with no electricity. Don't do what I did. I've since learned my lesson, and now I go to a good quality tattoo artist. I go to 4 different ones. So far, I don't have my earplugs in. It seems to be doing okay so far. Of course, I haven't sat down at home yet either. Smell sewage and a dead skunk. It's hard to imagine my life before this motorcycle. I don't know. I just seems completely different. Pretty scenery. I can't show you all of it. You just have to come see it yourself. Don't think we passed the landfill yet. I don't think so. I believe it's on up this way. It was a piece of drive day. There's landfill. Think about them mountains, man. Them mountains have seen things that you've never seen. They've had people on those mountains that you know nothing about. They have been around longer than you or your grandparents or your great-grandparents have been alive. Think about the magnitude of that. Welcome in, friends and neighbors. trash truck? Perhaps. Well, man, friends and neighbors, we're gonna have to stop, get some fuel for long. We may have to get some Mapco gas. I don't like to, but if I have to, if I was running along real good, I'd hate to get that Mapco gas in there with it. Smell of skunk. He ripe, daggone you. He got that love potion going out. I got a green skunk tattooed on my leg. There's a story about that somewhere on these videos. Woohoo! These dusty roads ain't streets of gold, but I'm happy right where I'm at. Back in civilization, I guess. We was over there a while ago on the interstate. Lexus. Remember when Lexus was on Dallas? JR, Sue Ellen. This ain't Dallas. This ain't Dynasty. This is making a living down in Tennessee. And I ain't JR. And you ain't Sue Ellen. So yeah. Y'all ever been to a gas station that don't carry gas? There's a few of them around there. You'll pull up there, they'll either say, we ain't got no gas, or the computer ain't working. Funny old world, ain't it? Ooh, I bet my milkshake's melted. Welcome in, friends and neighbors. I'll put it back in the freezer and let it refreeze. Oh, we on right on it. We gotta hurry up. We only got 20 miles to find gas. Yeah, we'll be alright. Lord's always got a hold of me. My back's hurting now. Oh, what I did. Woo. Welcome in, friends and neighbors. See somebody in the road, a lady. There is some homeless that live down here under the bridge by the Walmart. Sad, really. would be the most prudent thing to do. Well, we're gonna have to stop and get some golf either way. Oh shoot. We could turn up by the county correctional facility and figure it out from there. We could. We're not going to. One thing about it, buddy, you have this. She flat dead out of gas today. Okay, that don't look sketchy at all. Hey, we're getting wind noise. At least you know the audio works. Had an old El Camino sitting out here the other day. I don't see it no more. Yeah, they run up here wide open. She pulled out in front of them too. Yeah, she did. I want to reiterate that statement. I don't know what video we're on, but remember, it only takes one decision, to change the course of your life. As far as that goes, it only takes one decision that you make to change someone else's. The weight of responsibility is upon your shoulders every time you turn the key. Remember that. Every time you take a breath, the weight of responsibility is upon you. You got to be responsible for your own stupidity and be responsible for yourself. Nobody else is going to be. Don't blame nobody else. Should we get in the middle line? Can we get out? We tried this once before. Traffic ain't too bad, don't look like. We'll see. I was gonna go over there. I still may dang well do it. Oh. Whoa. She trying to push me out on the road. Nice old lady can't drive worth a shit.